Purpose of this video is for you to be able to relate percent abundance to advice. And abundance is how plentiful something is, and advice we know, we get it all the time from everybody, and from some people we don't want to get it from. Some people we do. Now, this would be equal abundance. I didn't really start off to make a flash symbol, but there you've got equal amounts of every shape, or the two shapes. That's equal abundance. Whereas unequal abundance is this. Where you can see you've got more lightning in there than you got red circles. The lightning have a low abundance, whereas the circles have a high abundance. Now, Dr. Square needs some dating advice. He likes this person, so he needs some dating advice. So he asks his dog, and that's what he gets. And then he asks Darth Vader, and he gets this advice. And then he asks another friend of his, and that's what he says. He says, "Go for it." So who does he trust? Who does he listen to? He really cares for this person or the shape, but he's not sure what to do. He's a little bit confused. So, with the average atomic mass, which one weighs in more, or the one you have more of? So in this case, the one that weighs in the most would be the circle, because there's the most of it. Now with the dating scenario, as you can see, who is Dr. Square gonna listen to? Well, of course, he's gonna listen to his friend the dragon, because the dragon has always given him really good advice. So in this scenario, naturally you just rely on some people more than another. You you think for whatever reason they give better advice than the other one, than somebody else. Whereas the average atomic mass, you tend to rely more on one thing than you do the other. And it's typically the thing that you have the most of, the one with the highest relative abundance. In this case, it's the circle. So with these two things in this comparison that I drew up, you've got your element, and that's the person. You've got your relative abundance, and then you've got your advice, and the average atomic mass is the decision that gets made in the end. And that's how the two things are related. And just so we're clear, don't listen to Darth Vader.